अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू अदर वीडियो। आज की मैं अपनी इस वीडियो में आप सबके लिए एक ऐसे लेके आई हूँ। टॉपिक है ऐसे का आ विज़िट टू आ हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस। तो चलिए इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले हम कोटेशन लिखेंगे ताकि एग्जामिनर पे इसका इम्प्रेशन अच्छा पड़े। ऑल हिस्ट्री इज़ द बायोग्राफी ऑफ great men. History is the study of rise and fall of different nations. Great nations learn much from their history and never forget their heroes. People remember their heroes and commemorate the important days to revive their glorious traditions. In the same way, we also have wonderful history. History is philosophy teaching by examples. A visit to a historical place is always useful and valuable. It is a great source of reminding us of our glorious past and giving us stimulus to follow in the footsteps of our ancestors and do great deeds. It increases in our knowledge and widens our vision, as it is a great source of knowledge, information, instruction, education, and molding our character. History is a cyclic poem written by time upon the memories of man. Last month I went on a trip to Lahore. After the examination we felt free. Some of my friends came to me and we made a program to visit historical places at Lahore. The next day I got up early in the morning and started for the railway station after necessary preparation. My friends were already waiting for me. We bought tickets and started our journey. Busy life is just one dim thing after another. After 2 hours, our train reached Lahore railway station. We were surprised to see such a big railway station. We came out of the journey station and hired a taxi for the tomb of Jahangir. On the way, we bought some sweets, fruit, and other eatables. When we reached near the bridge of the river Ravi, we decided to enjoy rowing for some time. We hired a boat and a boatman and went far into the river. Life for today, plan for tomorrow. After that, we reached the tomb of Jahangir. A large number of people had also come to enjoy there. I felt very happy to see the green lawns, the tall trees growing in long rows, and the beautiful fountains. They were presenting a beautiful scene. We entered the tomb of the late king and offered Fatiha. I was surprised to see the beautiful work and the artistic designs made by the Muslim artisans. There is great meaning in life for those who are willing to journey. The tomb of Jahangir is located in Shahadra. The area had been a favorite spot of Jahangir and his wife Noor Jahan when they resided in Lahore. When Jahangir died in 1627, he may have initially been buried in Shahadra. In one of its many gardens, his son Shah Jahan ordered that a mausoleum befitting an emperor be built as a permanent memorial. It occupies a vast quadrangle measuring 6,100 gaz to a side and is subdivided into 4 gardens. A fountain occupies the center of each of the 4 gardens. Today, the tomb of Jahangir holds special significance for Pakistanis as it is the only Mughal tomb located in present-day Pakistan, and it remains one of Lahore's most popular attractions. If you want to understand today, you have to search yesterday. Jahangir's tomb is the best example of the Mughal architecture. It has been made with an artistic skill. The design of its tomb and minarets is attractive for tourists. Tomb of Noor Jahan, Jahangir's wife, is also situated beside Jahangir's tomb. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. After some time, we came out of the tomb and climbed on one of its lofty towers. We could see the whole city of Lahore. It was a charming sight. The shining water of the river looked like a reflecting mirror. We took pictures of this historical monument. The peaceful atmosphere gave us soothing pleasure. We remained there and enjoyed that wonderful scene. It was really a memorable day of my life. Harsh days never last forever, but good memories does. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि आपके लिए अच्छी अच्छी वीडियोस लेके आऊँ। उम्मीद है आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबा दीजिएगा ताकि मेरी नई आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके, जिससे आप फ़ायदा हासिल कर सकें। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।